Do you want to know how you can reset your Sofi password? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the password of your Sofi account. Go ahead and open sofi.com and click on your profile, which is on the right hand side, and go to My Profile. After that, scroll a bit down and you can see Change Password over here. Click on it and click on the Edit button. After you click on Edit button, your current password is already set. What you need to do right now is write down a new password in this box over here. After you write down your new password, go ahead and check your password. Then write down the same password in this box which says Confirm Password. After you write your confirm password, check it again, and if it matches, you can click Save and then your password will be changed. Make sure you select a secure password, and the secure passwords criteria is over here. You can read it and create a password accordingly. So guys, this is how you change your password on your Sofi account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.